Ready?
Go.
All right. Clear. Safety. Depress detent. Spin. Safety off. Back to your half moon notch. Pull that out. Separate the upper and lower. Spring. Turn. Remove. Safety right there. Press it with your thumb. Push firing pin in, slide the plate out. Press that safety again, let the firing pin go. Pull your extractor out. And that's fully stripped. Frame. Let the hammer down. Push the pin out. Pull that down. Cock the hammer. Pull safety up and out. Beaver tail comes out. Take main spring housing the rest of the way out. Leaf spring. You got hammer and sear pin. There's your hammer. There's sear disconnector and your firing pin safety. Push that partially through. Twist counterclockwise. Now you're fully disassembled.
Bam. All right.